Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will explore the Netcraft tool. Netcraft is a phishing defense tool designed to detect malicious websites and links. It helps users protect themselves from phishing attacks by offering detailed insights into site credibility. To begin using Netcraft, we will start by opening the Firefox browser on Kali Linux. Open a new tab in the address bar and type Netcraft and press enter. From the search results, click on the first link, https://www.netcraft.com. You'll see that Netcraft is part of a broader suite of security demonstrations. In our case, we will focus on using the Netcraft browser extension. To install the extension, do the following. First, click on the extension button, which is on the right of the address bar. You'll often see a puzzle piece icon for it. Then navigate to the search bar in the top middle of the dashboard and type Netcraft. Press enter. Click on the first search result, Netcraft extension. Now locate and click on the Add to Firefox button to add it to Firefox extension. When prompted, confirm by selecting Add and make sure to check the option that allows the extension to run in private window. Once installed, the Netcraft extension is ready to use. Let's test it out. Open a new browser tab and type google.com and press enter. The website will now load normally and securely. Now, click on Extensions button at the top right corner and select Netcraft extension. You'll see that Netcraft recognizes google.com. Now select Site Report to access more details. A new window will open, showing the site title as Google with a site rank of 1. So what is site rank? Click the rank number to learn more. This ranking reflects how trusted and secure the site is, based on Netcraft's global data. In this case, google.com is considered highly secure, earning the top rank of 1. Just below Google in the rankings, you'll find other well-known platforms. YouTube. Third is mail.google.com, followed by outlook.office.com, Facebook, and so on. Let's try another site. Type testphp.vulnweb.com into the address bar and press enter. Now click the extension button and choose Netcraft extension again at top right and choose Site Report. You'll see that this domain has a site rank of 1,242. Its primary language is listed as English. It was first seen in April 2017. The NetBlock owner is Amazon.com, and the site is hosted by Amazon in the US West region. The hosting country is US. IP address is 44.228.249.3, which is confirmed by VirusTotal. You can also obtain DNS admin information, which is hostmaster@eurodns.com. Using this tool, we can get further insight into the site's infrastructure. So overall, Netcraft proves to be a very effective security tool. It identifies web trackers, associated companies, website categories, and even wizard-generated websites. This is how you can extract detailed information and detect malicious websites using the Netcraft extension. If you suspect a malicious site, simply click on the search icon and enter the URL. It will instantly display a detailed site report. From that report, you'll be able to determine whether the site is malicious or safe. Or you can search the website and choose Netcraft extension and discover if the website is malicious or not. Let's analyze a familiar domain like youtube.com. Then click on Look Up. When you check Netcraft's data for YouTube, you'll find entries for both HTTP and HTTPS versions. The secure HTTPS version, https://youtube.com, has a rank of 2, while the unsecured HTTP version, http://youtube.com, has a rank of 1982. This difference clearly highlights the importance of secure protocols, like HTTPS. If Netcraft detects a malicious site, it will display a warning window highlighted in red like this, indicating that the website is suspected of phishing. And that's how you can use Netcraft for phishing detection. To analyze websites, identify threats, and protect yourself from phishing attacks.